welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two trading platforms, which is Lightyear and Trading 212. So in this video we're going to help you decide if any of these trading platforms can be a game changer or a better option for you. So before we dive into it, know that this video is based on collective review. So let's get started. Lightyear shines with its clean design, zero commission stock trading, and a simple interface that's perfect for beginners. It offers fractional shares, savings features, and access to global market without the clutter, which make it ideal for investors who want a smooth, low-fee experience. However, it's still growing. Some advanced tools and research options are sometimes limited. Trading 212, on the other hand, is a more established, all-rounded. It offers commission-free trading, fractional shares as well, and automated investing through its piece. It's a great choice for both new and intermediate trader, but can feel more crowded with extra features. And CFD trading carries high risk. So in conclusion, Lightyear is better for simplicity and transparency, while Trading 212 wins for depth and automation options. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.